My name is Naji Muhammad and I'm from Oromo, Ethiopia.
Microphone
I'm 55 years old and I came out of my country because of the pressure that Ethiopian dictatorship government makes on Oromo people as well as me. I am 57 years old. I came out of my country because of inhuman action that Ethiopian government made on me, and it takes my all property. I was a businessman in Ethiopia for over 40 years, and the Ethiopian government take all over my property, and it was they disappear my families. I don't know where my family is, and I just came out of Ethiopia to save my life. The reason why I came out is they make me a torture, imprisoned because of I'm a member of a political party, and because of I'm not supporting Ethiopian government regime. I didn't come out of my country because of finding money or wealth. I have everything to live with my family. But the reason which leads me to come out of my country is I couldn't live in my country peacefully with my family. They disappear my family and they make me in prison. Some of my friends are killed and the others are in prison, and I get the chance to run out of them to save my life. But after I came here, what I hear and what I'm seeing is different of what was happening in Ethiopia. In Ethiopia, I don't want to lay in my age. I want to tell the truth. The people are dying. The people are kidnapped every day. The mothers and the children are being killed. But what I hear here in Germany is they say that Ethiopia is a safe country. But what I know and what I came from is that Ethiopian and Oromo people are in the worst situation. Because of this, what happened on Oromo people and the pressure on Oromo people are not being treated well, and all of our people are getting rejected and they are not getting the chance for language school. Due to this, I really feel sad that we lost justice in our country at the same time, and we lost justice here because we are dying back home and still no one accepts that we are dying and our people are crying back home. Oromo people living in Germany are living in the worst situation because every day they are in stress. They think that what will happen on them after they get rejected, and most of them are running out of this country to another area. But the problem are the doubling deportation, they will come back here. But if they send them to Ethiopia, what will wait them are the prison or torture or being killed in Ethiopia. Even our case are not treated like others. So due to this, I kindly request the German government to treat Ethiopian as well as Oromo people to treat their case that there is a problem in their country, they are dying every day, and to give a priority for Oromo and all other Ethiopians which ran out of their country to save their life. In my age, I have seen 3 different governments in Ethiopia, but the current government is especially, every government is depressing Oromo people, but especially TPLF government, which is the current government, is really a killer and which is killing over half of Ethiopian people, and the really dictatorship which I see in my life. They kill the peaceful protesters which comes out to the streets to ask for their rights, to stop what is going on them, and they are being killed, they are being kidnapped, and they are being tortured. Even recently at Recha religious festival, Ethiopian government killed over 678 people, peaceful people which are appeared at Bishoftu town to be at Recha festival and Thanksgiving religious festival. Even in the prison also, our prisoners are being fired while they are in prison. Recently at Kilinto was fired, and different Ethiopian political peoples which was in the prison are being fired, and we lost really a good people which was thinking for their nation and working for their nation because of Ethiopian dictatorship. While doing this an inhuman action, but Ethiopian government is concerned as a peaceful government and a democratic government in front of Germany as well as all European Union. We strongly request German governments as well as European Union to stop his relationship with such a dictatorship and a killer government, and to stop his investment relationship and make a pressure on ongoing killing of the people of Ethiopian people government. Okay, thank you for giving me this chance and listening to me. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Mr.